The dynamic hidden task functionality within Profit Rhino opens up some cool possibilities for larger scale jobs that are either very difficult or impossible to flat rate with just a pre-built task. An example of what I'm talking about would be a whole house repipe. And for this example, I've already built an option board called whole house repipe. At this point, I just need to add tasks to it. I'm going to search for a task that I've pre-built, and this task has no pricing to it. It's just going to be a presentation task that I'm going to show the customer. Once I've added that task to the option board, here you can see that this board currently has no pricing. In order to generate pricing, I'm going to click into the price book and actually locate tasks that have parts and labor linked to them. I'm going to go to my copper tasks, and I'll go ahead and add copper piping and some of the fittings that would be required. Now, keep in mind, this isn't going to be exactly what would be required for a whole house repipe, but I just want to show you how the functionality works with a few tasks. So once those have been added, let's click back to our option board. Now I could present this to the customer with accurate pricing, but it's not the neatest looking presentation. What I can do to clean things up a little bit is hide the tasks for the piping and the fittings so that all I'm showing the customer is the whole house repipe task. In order to do that, I'm just going to click on the red minus sign and hit hide. Now, as I'm going through, you can see that all of the hidden tasks have an icon next to them that's an eyeball with an X through it. That's just showing that they're hidden. Now, once I've hidden all of those and I swap back into the presentation mode, here you can see I can present accurate pricing to the customer with a neat presentation of just the singular task.